Learning a high income skill is one of the important things in the online space, and it's one of the biggest investments you can ever do for yourself. If you have an high income skill in the online space, you have the ability to make money in dollars and also to make money from any part of the world. I'm a living testimony of this. As I'm doing YouTube, I make money through freelancing and I make money from affiliate marketing and any other businesses that I come my way. So this is I have the ability to do this. This is possible because I have high income skills. And one of the skill is digital marketing. So if you are looking for ways to learn digital marketing right now, then this video is for you. Or probably you are just looking for ways to learn other related high income skills, digital skills, then yes, this video is still for you. As an individual who have any of this skill, you can be a self-employed person and make any amount that you really want to make from any part of the world that you decide based on your ability. So in this video, I will show you a couple of websites that you can use to learn any of these skill for free, most especially digital marketing. So you'll be able to learn it for free. And if you know what you are doing or you are very serious with this, you can implement from there and kickstart your online journey. All right. So this is the first website that I'm going to recommend here, and this is upskilllist.com. This is upskilllist.com. Just as you can see the website here. In case you are not getting the exact pronunciation, just type it to Google as it is displayed on the screen. So go to this website and you'll be able to learn website for free. You'll be able to learn courses for free rather. And let me just scroll down to show you a little bit of their interface and whatever some of the courses that they have. So they have course on photography rather, coding and technology for people who want to learn programming. They have interior design, they have project management, fashion, creative writing, and lots more. And of course, digital marketing is one of them. You know, the good news part of this is many of the websites that I'm going to recommend in this video, they are going to provide you a certificate, which means you can learn and also get it a certificate if you want to. All right, without wasting time, you can come here and sign up to this website and navigate through, pick any of the courses that you want, and you start learning. Just as you can see right here, you can see wedding photography, video editing, and lots more. All right, so this is another website right here, and that is Shaw Academy, SHAW, Shaw Academy. So this is a place where you can also learn a couple of online courses and digital skills for free. Like just as you can see here, we have photography, video editing, online Photoshop, iPhone, photography, and lots more. And also there is digital marketing right here. We have graphic design, digital marketing right here, as promised, diploma in project management, creative writing, and lots more. So if I click on view all courses, then I will be able to view many of the courses that are available here. You can also sign up to this website for free and navigate through, then pick any course that you want and start learning. So this is another website there, and that is from Google Digital Skill for Africa. Of course, you know Google cannot be deceiving you. So Google also provide you with some online skills that you can learn for free. So they provide you with the training, with the guide and everything, so you can start the course. And also at the end of it, you can also get a certificate. So just as you can see right here on my screen, so you can come here and click on start a course, and it's going to take you to the next phase for you to link your Google account and for you to start learning. All right. And also I have skillup.online. Skillup.online. That's the website I am right now. You can also learn any of the skill that you want for free right here on skillup.online, just as you can see displayed on my screen here. So you can see some of the courses that they have and some of the skills that you can learn right here. Of course, digital marketing is also part of them. All right. So you can sign up to this as well and go for it. So let me show you another one, and this is HoopSpot Academy. HoopSpot Academy. In case you don't know, HoopSpot is one of the best software for marketing. Yeah, they are doing pretty great. So HoopSpot also provide you with high income skills that you can learn: inbound marketing, content marketing, and a lot more. And of course, digital marketing is one of them as well. This is 11 lessons, 5 hours, which means we will be equipped to become a digital marketer. We have content marketing right here. So all you have to do here as well, it is free, is to sign up and access your course and you start consuming. All right. And here guys, we have simply learn. We have simply learn, just as you can see right here. So we simply learn as well. You can learn high income skills, digital marketing, and a lot more. You can see data scientist, digital marketing specialist, cloud architect, and lot more. And lots more. Like this is really amazing. And with any of this, you can learn digital marketing or other related digital skills for free. I think I've tried and help you. You can show some love by actually subscribe to this channel and turn on bell notification. It's important so that YouTube will update you anytime I drop a new video. More importantly, if you found this helpful, found this valuable, do not forget to comment so that your comment will inspire others as well to watch the video. So, all right, in case maybe one way or the other I have misspelled or mispronounced some name of the website and you're not getting it, just check the video description. I will attach the links for you to get it there. Thanks for watching. I wish you success in the online space. Bye.